To clone apps on Google Pixel 10 Pro, first of all, there's no strict way to clone apps, but I found a way that you can have one app in your normal phone and a second app in your private space, and they all will have their individual instances. So to do that, first let's open a settings on our phone. Next step is to scroll down to security and privacy. Here make sure that you have your device unlock set up. That means a lock screen, and then scroll down to the private space. Inside, make sure to perform entire private space setup. I've made a dedicated video about the private space, so you can watch it if you like. And then finally, when it's done, go back to your app drawer like this, scroll all the way down, and here's your private space. You can then install additional apps with the install button, or you can use any other apps that are here. For example, Google Chrome will be a different Chrome than the one that you have normally when you open it right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.